Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to create a Twitter account, but you don't have a phone number or you just don't want to use one. The good news is there are actually several methods to make this work in 2026. Step 1. Start by going to Twitter's official website and click the Sign Up button. You'll see the standard registration form where you normally enter your phone number. But here's the trick: use a temporary email address instead. Services like Gorilla Mail or 10-Minute Mail give you a free disposable email that works perfectly for this purpose. Step 2. Fill in your name, email, and create a strong password. Make sure your password has uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Twitter will verify your email address through a link they send to that temporary email inbox. Step 3. Complete the age verification by confirming you're 18 or older. Twitter requires this regardless of whether you're using a phone number or not. You'll just check a box stating your birth date requirements. Step 4. Set up your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and choosing your username. This step doesn't require a phone number at all. Take your time here because your username is permanent and represents your online identity. Step 5. Skip any prompts asking for phone number verification by clicking the skip button. Twitter often gives you options to add it later, so you can simply dismiss these notifications. Once you've completed these 5 steps, your account will be fully active and ready to use without ever providing a phone number.